If you are owner of a Discord server, you have a bunch of channels in your server with lots of messages, and now you want to clear all of your channels messages. This tutorial review will show you how you can delete all channel messages in your Discord server. So first of all, we need to add the MEE6 bot to the server. So open mee6.xyz and here click on add to Discord. It may ask you to log in here using your Discord account. Then here select the server. Continue. Authorize. And ensure that you're human. Now go to your Discord server and make sure the MEE6 bot add date and go to the MEE6 bot dashboard. Here make sure to select the all plugins and search for moderator. You have to enable the moderator plugin. Once done, now go back to your Discord server and it is time to delete all messages from channels. So select the channel and now type this command !clear space, give the amount of message you want to delete. For example, I want to delete 50 message, giving here 50 and send this command. And now go to another channel, !clear space, message amount you want to delete. So that's how you have to clear all channel messages one by one. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.